Today we're going to be refurbishing a TRU8865-2 handset, and it's pretty gross. Sometimes I see comical stuff on the banners. This is one of the phones that clearly the person had a sense of humor, although they don't know how to clean phones. I got to deregister this here. I'm going to put it on this other base just for the testing purposes. And so Trevor is not going to be number 1 for much longer. I think he's going to end up being number 4. Nope, he's number 3 now. And this doesn't work. The talk button doesn't work. These other buttons work, but they're not very sensitive. No, actually, that's not too bad. Talk button on these fail. Equivalent to like the center navigation button, you know, this one on these other phones. So I'm going to open this up and clean it off, and hopefully that's going to fix the problem. But we'll see. Okay, we're back to Trevor's phone. And this is kind of odd because the board is not dirty. And usually when the buttons quit working, these boards are filthy with a disgusting coating of junk on them. This one is not the case. So I'm going to clean this off, whatever's on there. Maybe there is invisible button stopping dirt on there. And hopefully between cleaning this and cleaning the dial pad itself, it will start working. Yeah, I guess there was a little bit of junk on there actually. And if it doesn't work, I'll just replace the dial board, because or the button pad, because I have a few extras. Here's the handset front cover. It cleaned up pretty well. Not a lot of wear on it despite the immense amounts of dirt on here. And here's the dial pad. There was some remnants of stuff inside there, so hopefully this works now. I'm going to connect the battery so we can find out right now if this is going to work or not. I'm going to disconnect the phone line because once I turn this on, I won't be able to turn it off. And that is in fact working perfectly fine. So, now I guess we'll turn it off like this. Like this. I think. Oh, this is too much of a hassle. Okay. So that's working, that's all set to go. Let's begin to reassemble it now. I didn't show the disassembly on video because I've disassembled these on video before. In fact, I'm probably not going to show this either because I've done it before as well. Okay, this is all put back together. It seems to work now. It's not 100%, but it's like 98%, and I think that's good enough. Just to get it any better, I'd have to replace the whole dial board because of how these are designed. So we'll leave it there. That works. Okay, that's going to be it for this one. Thank you for watching. Comment, subscribe, and out.